Hello guys, it's me the Flying Crack and today we are going to unbox Redmi Note 10. But before I start unboxing this phone, make sure to like, comment and subscribe and hit that little bell. So yeah, let's get on with it. So this phone is Redmi Note 10. It is on it is grey color and it's 4 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. Pretty impressive for a phone. This phone contains Redmi Note 10 which has a charging adapter and USB Type C charging cable, and it has a SIM eject tool. Soft case is also included, and it has a warranty card. Okay, so yeah, let's get on with it. So let's open this. So there it is. Let me. So here it is. I'm gonna peel it. So we don't need that. So this is the phone. Oh, sorry that I put the fingerprints on it. It's a really nice phone, but this is the phone. So and I'm going to just leave it on the side. No, I'm gonna this is the soft case and the user manual, and this is the SIM ejector tool. This is it. Okay, and we open this. And this is the soft case. Okay, so let's just, and this is the charging adapter. Oh, it doesn't peel on it. Okay, I'll open it later. And this is the charging cable. And this is a USB Type C cable. And it's fairly long for normal use. So let's just turn on the phone. So let's get back on the phone. Yes. Let me. It's turning on. It just started up, and where do we? Oh yeah, I want English. Yes, and I live here. Okay, now here want the normal keyboard, and yeah, I have read that. Okay, and oh, I have to put in the SIM. So I will do all that and I will be with you. So I have done it, and the phone is in the starting screen. So that was it. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell. And so yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.